enormous sea creatures to be caught on Earth. Whale shark. Total length, 61.68 feet, 18.8 meters. Meet the sea's biggest fish, the lovely whale shark. Searching for plankton and doing other things that fish do, these mighty giants wander the waters around the globe, often even interacting with individuals who love to swim with them. At 60 feet in length, you're unlikely to miss this gentle creature if you run into a whale shark. If the size of the shark doesn't get your attention, there should be distinct light and dark markings. These fish are listed as endangered, more whales than sharks, as they are still hunted in some parts of the world. Japanese spider crab. Leg span, 12.14 feet, 3.7 meters. The Japanese spider crab is an arthropod with a leg span of over 12 feet. And not only is it the largest crab or crustacean in the family, it also holds the distinction of the largest of all arthropods. As the Japanese spider crab ages, though its hard outer covering remains the same size, its legs begin to expand. It is understood that juvenile Japanese spider crabs decorate their shells for camouflage. Blue whale. Total length, 108.27 feet, 33 meters. Most of us have seen images of a huge, majestic blue whale. Perhaps outsizing dinosaurs, the blue whale is the largest mammal ever known to live. They're up to 441,000 pounds in weight. Their hearts are the height of a car. It is possible to sense its beat from 2 miles away. They already rank among the largest full-grown animals at birth. By the 20th century, the species was almost extinct due to commercial whaling. Thankfully, after the global ban on whaling, it has steadily recovered. These species, however, remain vulnerable and face a variety of severe threats, including ship strikes and climate change impacts. Basking shark. Total length, 40.25 feet, 12.27 meters. The basking shark is the second largest fish in the modern ocean, to the best of our knowledge. The largest was estimated at over 40 feet on record, around the length of a school bus. And perhaps more impressively, in the range of 8,000 pounds they will weigh. With its large snout wide open at the water's surface, the basking shark is sometimes seen. They are gentle giants with a diet of mainly plankton, fish eggs, and larvae, but not to panic if you come across one while taking a dive in the depths of the ocean. Giant squid. Total length, 39.37 feet, 12 meters. Take the prize, the giant squid, for being the longest cephalopod. In its natural habitat, scientists have had few chances to study the highly elusive giant squid. In 2012, a group of scientists from Japan's National Science Museum filmed a giant squid for the first time in its deep-sea habitat. What we've discovered about this massive cephalopod is that it's very far-reaching. At distances of over 30 feet, their feeding tentacles can capture prey. In the world of sea creature tales, where it is synonymous with the sea monster kraken, the giant squid is also legendary. Oarfish. Total length, 26.25 feet, 8 meters. Sometimes referred to as a sea serpent or dragon, the oarfish's shape is very weird. These guys are long and live at depths of 3,300 feet, the longest bony fish that we know about. They are not always seen alive and well since they reside in the deep dark water columns of the open ocean and never come to the surface. Much of our knowledge comes from washed ashore specimens. Oarfish, sometimes referred to as ribbonfish, are 26 feet long and do not have scales. In their deep, dark habitat, they are also known for their wide eyes, all the easier to see. Giant Pacific octopus. Radial spread, 32.15 feet, 9.8 meters. The largest cephalopod of all is the appropriately called giant Pacific octopus. The radial spread of this oversized octopus is more than 32 feet. Though usually reddish-brown, when threatened or in need of camouflage, the octopus may change its color. The giant Pacific octopus, intelligent by birth, can open barrels, solve mazes, and play with toys. In order to engage their minds, aquariums also provide enrichment programs for the octopuses. In the wild, from Alaska to Baja California, and as far northeast as Japan, the giant Pacific octopus is found in the Pacific.